Hey guys, I'm Sarah, back at the Beehive doing another checkup. They are going absolutely nuts. You'll see we've got 3 boxes there now. After our check last time, I decided, you know, they were just bursting at the seams, so I thought, nah, better chuck another one on there. But yeah, we're just going to have a check, see what's going on in that top box, if anything. The 2 top boxes, hopefully they're getting some more stores in there for winter, but they were doing pretty good last time. We have had sort of a couple of weeks of really dodgy weather where they may have not gotten out and about too much, so we'll just see. They may have eaten through some of their stores. We'll just see how they're going. So certainly they're building up the comb and everything, but you know, not a lot of actual honey getting stored on the top one as yet. Nectar and pollen on there.
Ooh, yeah.
That's a bit heavier. Lots of nectar.
Ooh, yeah.
Heaps of nectar. Glossy.
Oh, capped over honey.
Yeah. Oh goody. Okay, some a bit of capped over honey there. Lots and lots of nectar. Honey, more nectar. Yep.
And capping Oh, yep. Oh,
yeah.
Look at how much capping.
Bit of honey, bit of pollen. Yeah. So honey, lots of nectar. Nice chunk of honey on that one.
Oh,
Yeah, more honey.
basically
Might have left a bit of a gap between the
Wait.
Look at that, they're building it in 3D. Oh, I'm about to run out of battery.
Oh, that is.
Alright. About to run out of battery, so I apologise if we cut out. But I'll see if we can find Queenie. It's on the bottom box there. We got some brood, looking a bit more patchy, but we'd sort of expect that this time of year. Oh, there we go, that's not as patchy. Oh yeah, still some larvae in there. Some little eggies. Okay, time for another update. It's been a while since we visited the Beehive, so we'll see how we're going. Starting to build a little bit on the top box. See all the, not a lot being stored on there, but that's all nice new frame that they've put on there. It's pretty cool, just an empty frame there that started building on it. There's, might not be able to see it, there's actually quite a bit of nectar in there. You can just see all the shimmery nectar.
Here they are. It's basically the middle one, so it should be
Yeah. Just scrape the stuff off the bottom of that. Just scraping all this stuff off the bottom so they don't stick it quite as much together. Just lots of nectar, bit of pollen.
They go take
Some honey there on the secondary box, that's cool. Lots of nectar, lots of pollen.
Oh yeah, oh heaps.
Oh yep. More honey on that side.
Heaps.
Very heavy with nectar. Oh, that's about half full of honey.
Feel how heavy this one.
Oh yeah. That's the honey. Same story on the other side, about half full of honey there. That's cool.
Yeah.
Yep. Again, sort of
It's time to do
full
it
of
down
honey
the
there,
side.
lots of nectar. So we won't see Queen on these ones, she'll be in the bottom box, hopefully. Oh yeah.
It's time to build off the bottom.
Yeah.
This whole side
They're
is
just dangling on the bottom.
completely full.
Look at that. Lovely full frame of honey there. Oh yeah. Yeah, they're building the comb out. That's really what we want. Might just
How
scrape
come
a
that
bit of
bit's
that
all
off.
dangled? Is that like a bee bridge?
Yes, we're making a bee bridge. Can I scrape it a bit first?
I'll get the bee brush.
I'll do this. Give them a smoke. Yeah,
How's that one going?
that's good as well.
Only a bit, but it's
Bit of honey on there, but quite a bit on the other side. I guess through the last check they've built that a bit funny round there. That's due to them having a bit too much
Should I
space.
brush? If we tip it around,
Bit of nectar being stored on this one. Shake that off.
oh,
You see brood on there still.
is that practice
That's pretty
queen
cool.
cell or on the side, or is it?
Yeah, that could be a practice queen cell. They do that.
Like some drone cells.
Fair enough. Some drones, some boys and some girls. Well, they're storing nectar in the empty ones. There's a little bit of honey on the top of there too. Oh, there's some fruit. I mean, some what are they called? Larvae.
Yeah.
The little white grubs.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Larvae. Not sure if the camera can see the larvae in there, but oh, there she is. Right there.
Oh yeah. It is Queenie.
Hello, Queenie.
Yeah. Oh there.
Did she go up there?
She's not the hardest to get.
Right. Another bee check done and dusted by me and my assistant. So, hopefully that's just of some interest to people. Obviously we're just novices here. I don't know if we're going to get any honey for ourselves this season or not. I'd say possibly not at this stage. That might just go to their winter stores. So hopefully next season we'll get a nice bumper crop. You hear that, bees? Bumper crop honey next season. But anyway, yeah, we'll just keep checking them every now and then, especially when it's a nice day like this. And we will catch you next week. Hit like, subscribe, and we'll catch you later. Bye.